Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello, hello.
Hey, hi.
How are you guys?
I'm good. How are you?
How's it going?
All good, all good. How are you?
All good, thank you.
How you been, guys? How's
All
trading?
good. All good.
Any setups?
As of this moment, no, I just have some buys that I'm still in from 4,106.
106?
Yeah.
Okay.
I had many scalp setups today. Scalped 50 pips in and out a couple times. Yeah.
Actually, I'm waiting for one right now.
A buy setup or
Yeah.
sell setup?
No, a buy setup.
Let me guess. Is it gonna be from 20? 20-ish? 15?
Somewhere around 27, 26.
Okay.
But I still have no setup. So that's that. I'm still waiting. What about you, Rosa, the factory girl? Tell us, what's happening with you? You're muted. Rosa, you're muted. We cannot hear you. Test, test. Still muted.
Now?
Yeah, now it's good.
Okay, I was saying I'm pretty busy today. I've been trading. So one setup this morning, amazing one. And so now I'm just waiting for the price to drop off a little bit more so I can get funded. I got funded for 2 accounts, 2 more the first day. So it's been all in all, it's been amazing day. So let's see
Great.
how it ends up.
That's great. So
And I missed a fantastic entry thanks to Anand yesterday night, but I missed it because it's 2 o'clock in the morning for me. So I fell asleep.
So I actually took that. I can show that entry.
Did you take it? Did you take it?
Yeah.
Oh, of course.
So I had marked these levels. Again, I was waiting for it to touch this level. This is basically yesterday's let me just name this. Okay, so basically the same concept which I've been talking about. So if the New York is rallying higher, so we get a good. We had a very good rally on New York yesterday, New York session. So I've been marking the New York high yesterday. New York, it actually took the London liquidity and dropped. So I was hoping that it will mitigate this order block during Sydney. It just mitigated. I placed a sell, and my TP was just here below this liquidity. So it just hit my TP. I was done, but again it rallied till yesterday's support. But it's okay. 100 pips is 140 pips to be exact. It was a good clean trade. I mean, this tends to happen whenever there's a good rally. Next day we get this pullback. I mean, the winning rate is like around 70, 75, but it's decent. And yeah, I'm hoping gold to push up from here. Yeah, just grabbed
yeah,
here.
me too. I think it will push up from here.
I'm sorry about. Yeah, I think right now here it's been taken. There is nothing here. Everything is taken here. So I am hoping it will push up.
It's funny how the live stream started while we are all looking for setups. So we didn't even get the chance to say hi to the people. So
Yeah, we didn't even say hi or anything. We just dived in.
but we're kind of busy, but we're happy to have you with us. And hopefully today will be a good day. All right. So, Rosa, would you like to share your screen?
Yeah, sure.
Show us the magic.
Yeah, gonna show you the magic. So this is
So gold is
M5.
pushing from that level.
Where's the, just a second, why there's now my template?
Beautiful higher high on gold.
Okay, just a second, guys. I just got, I'm just cleaning the template. There's no need for that.
Safe, I bought early, to be honest.
You bought here?
I bought 30. So I have my entry from 4106 and then from 4130.
Okay,
see.
gold's dropping.
It's a risky one because my SL is big on this one, and I
Can
stopped.
you see it?
Hmm?
Can you
Yeah,
see
we
my
can.
screen now? Oh, right.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can see it
Yeah.
now.
Now we can see it.
Okay, so these are my entries. Let me change the color very quick. I don't like this color. No one can see anything. So these are my buys today. This is M5, but I took them in one M1. Yeah. So good amount of pips altogether, and yeah, it's been a fantastic week so far. So so I'm expecting for gold. Let me go to M1. This is M1. So I'm expecting for gold to drop around here, kind of.
What's the number?
What's the number?
26, 25?
Yeah, 41.26.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That's the same number I'm waiting for.
And because I'm selling I'm selling gold. I'm
You sell if it breaks it, yeah?
no, I'm actually selling on my funding text account.
Okay.
So yeah, I got in from around here, kind of.
Okay, you already sold.
Yeah, I'm already sold. So I'll take my profits here.
Yeah. Okay.
I've
I'm
been
just waiting
selling
for a
today.
setup. Unfortunately, I'm not getting my setup yet. But I think we're going up from here. But without a setup, I will not execute. So let's see.
Yeah, I'm literally 12 pips away from take profit on my funding text account. I've been buying in two of the accounts, and this one I'm just selling. So let's see how it goes.
So guys, the government shutdown is ending, hopefully today.
I hope so. I really hope it does.
Yeah. But I'm
I've
not
had a
sure
bad
if it
time
does, what will
since.
happen to the markets? Like gold could drop if that happens. But technically, this is not the case with gold because gold yesterday or on Monday, 2 days ago, made a very obvious reversal pattern, which is the failure swing from classic technical analysis. So it failed to make a lower low and it broke the previous high. So now we have a reversal to the upside. But it does not align with the fundamentals. So that's why I don't know what's happening, but ever since they announced, it's been going up. When they announced that it's going, like they're going to reopen the government, gold has been going up, even though the common sense would say that it should go down. So I don't know. Maybe it's not done until it's really done.
Could I give you my theories?
Yeah, please.
Basically, from what's been happening, you know how the previous 2 months when they made the rate cuts,
Yeah,
gold was supposed to go up, however, it went down instantly when they announced the rate cuts, and then the following
yeah.
day
That's pricing
went
in. Yeah,
up. So we got CPI today. We got neutral rate cuts, like the decision about the Fed's rate cuts in December is probably they're not gonna cut rates. as they've been saying. Okay.
Correct.
So you can assume that the opposite is going to happen, as they've been doing the past 2 months. When it was supposed to rise, it dropped.
Yeah, I get
Now
that.
it
I totally
goes
get
up.
that. I totally get
Plus,
that. Yeah.
they're saying that Iran and Israel are on the brinks of war again, and firing missiles at each other,
Really,
etc., etc.
again,
That's what they're saying.
don't they get bored, man?
I have no idea, bro. It's it's never ending, and it's like almost set to happen. That's
Yeah.
what they're saying. So you never know. It always happens. Every time they decide to go back at it again and just fire at each other, the same exact shit happens. Get another rally. Gold failed to drop beyond the 3,886 point,
Yep.
as I recall. And for me personally, I got hit hard during October. I wasn't doing really well because of how the market was reacting. I didn't like October at all, and I didn't have a lot of good days since the government shut down. So I'm excited for that to end and just have a proper market with data driving it.
Well, the
Some
final vote is today, so let's hope
Yeah,
they agree on something and they reopen tomorrow.
because this is literally the most it went
Yeah,
throughout
the
history.
longest ever. Yes,
Yeah,
41 days.
exactly.
Today, if you want to count today, it's 42 days. But they passed a bill to reopen the government, so I think they're voting like this afternoon. This afternoon in the U.S., not our local times. So I think we will see some volume and volatility
I'm
in the
just
session.
I'm confused with one thing, which is the CPI reports for today.
There are no CPI reports today.
It might come out anytime because it's still tentative. It's
You mean,
not.
yeah, you mean tomorrow? Tomorrow they might come out.
Yeah, tomorrow. Sorry.
Tomorrow, yes.
Yeah, it's
Today we
tentative.
had the German CPI.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we have the US CPI.
And
Yeah,
we won't
correct.
even know when it's gonna come out if the
I think
shutdown.
they're going to announce it anyway. Remember how they figured out a way to announce the CPI from September?
Yeah,
It was late, but they figured out a way to release it.
that's what I'm saying. It will be released, but it will be a surprise to us because we don't have a timing. So if we're trading, it might
Yeah.
just hit like that out of nowhere. As long
Correct.
as it's like after the New York session open, it might just surprise you, and you might get hit hard with that. So I'm just gonna chill out tomorrow, to be honest.
Yeah, you could do that. That would be smart to just chill. By the way, congratulations, Rosa, on the TP.
What? Yeah, it went down. Yeah.
Yeah, you didn't take
Did you
profit.
just realize you hit TP?
I'm realizing using my the Ninja Trader. I'm just seeing it. Okay, so you can see it. Yep. So that was a TP. Yeah.
Congratulations.
3
I got
TPs
it.
here today. So, but still a few accounts to get through. And okay, yeah, just let me move that.
I got in another buy, by the way, Saif.
Another buy. I just missed one here.
I got
bought
in.
at 125.
I got in at 25.
Oh, no way.
So I have 25.12 and I have 30 exactly and 41.06.
Let me try to. Yep, I'm into.
Buying.
Let's go.
Yeah.
It's not a good moment.
Let's see.
No, I don't.
It is what it is. You have any news events today? I didn't check economic calendar.
Oh, I didn't check it either. So why were you? I mean, it's fine because there's nothing to hide. But oh, it's because I think I'm sharing the whole screen. Okay.
There's,
Right.
there's nothing
Right.
very usual today.
Okay, so yeah, I think I'm entering again in a couple of minutes.
Hold on. Yeah, so I have both my stops at 20 flat.
Where are your stops?
At 20, 41.20.
Yeah, I have it on at 4122.5.
Fair enough. Bottom of the wick.
Yeah.
Dude, I've been trying to change my trading style because of how the
Why?
market's been acting since October. I usually just trade breakouts, and
Yeah, I
it's
remember.
been it's been hectic because we've had a lot of fake outs, a lot,
Correct.
and a lot of manipulation. So I haven't been able to trade well. But since changing some small things, I've been able to provide a smaller SL. So I usually just go for 1-to-1. My SL is 100 pips, TP1 is 100 pips.
Okay.
I've been making my stops between 20 to 50 pips and securing a first TP of 100 pips, which is fire if you think about it in a risk to reward ratio. Um, I've been kind of getting 1-to-5s basically by doing that, which is really good.
Okay, so I've been trying to catch like a day trade or a scalp, but it's not very confirmed yet. But on the breakout on the daily time frame, I entered a buy position with a very big stop loss. It's
On the
on
daily,
the on the daily. Would you like to see the trade?
yeah, I bet that
Yeah,
I know
sure.
what your SL is at, like 87.
Well, let me surprise you 1 second.
87 and TP's all-time high. Let's bet on that.
Okay,
No, your TP's
I can
probably
surprise you.
your TP's even higher than the all-time high.
1 second. Can you see my screen? Not yet, right?
By the way, Saif,
Yeah,
that's why I haven't we haven't
yeah. So my TP is at 4,700,
4700.
and
Yeah.
my stop loss is at 3,920.
Okay.
Yep.
It's a beautiful swing. It's gonna play out perfectly.
Hopefully it will. That's 1 to 5.
Hmm.
Like a very easy trade if it works out as planned. But that's not what I'm trying to do now. I'm trying to catch a smaller like swing or like
Hmm.
a scalp.
Um,
So
I
I
think
have this.
it has to go down a little bit more. So there's an at least 20, 25, 30 points, I guess.
Yeah,
That's my guess. I'm not sure.
it might, yes. Um, but in order for me to get a high risk reward, I'm going to keep trying with very tight stops.
Mm.
So I get stopped out like 3, 4 times, and then I get one of them that gives me 1 to 10, and then I'll
Hmm.
go home happy and yeah. So that's my strategy basically.
Beautiful.
Every time I get a setup, I'm going to give it a try with very tight stops. I'm probably going to get stopped out a couple of times, but once it works, I'll call it a day. That'll be it for me.
Mhm.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's doing well. Not bad.
Before you cut off, Saif, I was telling you about how I'm managing my trades now.
Yeah.
Going for basically 20 pip SLs, max around 50 pip SLs. And my first
Going
TP,
for 1-to-1, I remember you told me, yeah?
before it was 100 pip SL, 100 pip TP1.
Okay.
Now SL 20 pips, TP1 is 100 pips. So this is
Yeah, this
really
will
good.
make a lot of difference.
Yeah, I've been doing that and it's working properly now.
Yeah, this will make like all the difference, to be honest, because I've never been a fan of 1-to-1.
Yeah,
But again, like different strategies, different methods. But like having like a crazy risk reward has been always my favorite thing. Like whenever I get a chance to enter a trade, it's like, you know how in real life, like away from trading, in real life when you say I got a good deal, like
mm-hmm.
I bought a car for like a good price, I bought something for a good price, or I sold
Yeah,
something for a good price. That's basically the same in trading, because like whenever I get something that will lose me like $1,000 but would make me $10,000, yeah, of course that would be a great trade, or that would be a
sure.
good deal in terms of real life terms.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's worth risking $1,000 to get that, even if I lose the thousand once and twice, like 3 times. Once it works, I get a crazy risk reward, and that would like compensate for all the losses, and I end up being profitable at the end of the day.
Exactly. You
So yeah,
know,
that's
my problem with my old style was, okay, I tell you to go for TP1 or whatever. I don't
yeah.
like 1-to-1 either, so I would end up holding for more, and I would be in big, massive profits, but I wouldn't close because I don't go for 1-to-1s or 1-to-2. I would go
Mhm.
like for 1-to-3, 1-to-4, try to catch the whole move. However, I'd end up missing out on all the small bites that I could have taken along the way and then catch the big move alone.
Mhm.
So yeah, it ended up very bad during October. So I was like, I need to change a little bit in the system,
October
just like the
wasn't the
whole
easiest
market.
month, to be
I need
honest.
to
So
adapt basically because the market isn't moving the way I want. It's gonna move however it wants. So I'm doing my
yeah,
best to adapt with it.
it wasn't the easiest month.
Yeah.
So like, don't beat yourself up for it. It was
Hmm.
it was a very hard month to trade. Um, Someone is asking gold to all-time high. Yes, I believe so.
Yeah.
Maybe not like overnight, but
By the
we're
end of the
going
year, before the end
Yeah.
of the year.
exactly.
Yeah.
Salah, are you on buy?
Huh?
Are you on gold buy?
Yeah, I got 4106,
Okay.
4125, and 4130. 3 entries.
Okay.
I got 26.
Mhm.
Unfortunately, I didn't catch the 25, but it's still good enough.
Yeah. I think it will move now. Just took from 123. It's pushing.
Someone is asking, can gold drop to 40, 49? Yeah, 4,004, like 49. Yeah, that might happen. That's actually my break even. That's my break even point. That's the swing level. That's where the breakout happened. So it might go there to retest.
Mhm.
Um, but given the momentum I'm seeing, I don't think so, to be honest.
It wants to go up. It's been pushing up since
I
market open.
cannot like give you a guarantee that it's going there or not going there, because this is like it's the market. I cannot just like guarantee anything. But from past experiences, when you see gold jumping this fast, you're in an impulsive move, so most probably you will not go and retest the breakout zone for the time being. I'm saying. Okay.
After market open, it was around what 4,000, around 4,000 flat, and I was like, I'm not trading Asian session. I'm gonna keep it till tomorrow. I woke up, it's at 40.70, 40.60 something. I'm like, okay, I took a couple trades, just got out with 100 or 200 pips. Then I was like, I'm done. My TP2s were 41, 45, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna call it a day and I'm gonna chill. So I don't look at the screen, I don't look at the price or anything until the next day, not even in Asia, until the next London session. Then I'm like, wow, we hit 41, 45 that fast. And I was like, that wasn't expected at all, like
Mm-hmm.
this fast. But when this happens, as you said, with this momentum, it's just gonna keep pushing harder and harder and
Most
much
probably, yeah.
faster.
Most
Yeah.
likely, it's going to keep going up. Um, can you break down Nasdaq? Who trades Nasdaq here? I remember Anand. Do you trade Nasdaq or no?
No, I trade mostly gold.
Mostly gold, yeah. Who trades Nasdaq here?
No, no, no. Que estic al directe, carai. Just a second.
I think the factory girl.
I
Let me
trade
check.
currency pairs like mostly GBP USD, Euro USD, and GBP JPY. That's it. Like I've been looking at Nasdaq and like US 30, but
I
like
think Nasdaq is heading towards a new all-time high.
It's been
and
doing that this whole
I
year.
actually wanted to talk to Salah about I before I used to go for 1:10 minimum. Like my trades were always 1:10. The ones I got was 1:35. That is the maximum I got. But I used to go for home runs always. But
Okay.
later I changed. Right now 1:2. It's very
How
calm. Like
was
every
how
day.
was your win rate back then?
Win rate was
Has to
good
be low.
actually, around 75, 80. But
75%.
no, but I don't trade like regularly. I used to trade weekly, like once, like
Yeah,
two
so
entries I did.
basically you were a swing trader with a
Yeah.
very big RR.
Yes, but
Okay.
not exactly swing trade. I just hold trades like 1.5 days. But
Mhm.
later I changed completely to adapting to 1:2 right now. 1:2 is good. Like every
Yeah,
day 1:2 is like decent.
anything above 1 to 1 is basically very good.
Yeah. Right now I have only 54% win rate, 54, 53, 55 max to max.
Dude, my win rate's been like improving big time after changing my ways because my win rate was pretty low, around 30 something because of my what's it called? My strategy and my RR. So I don't have a big really good win rate. However, yeah, I'd lose 3, 4 trades in a row, and then my fifth trade is like 1 to 5, 1 to 10, and I would just make back like 5 times what I lost.
Mhm.
So I
So
didn't care about my win rate, but now I'm making the same amount of money I used to make without having those losses. You get it? By changing my ways, going for smaller targets but more precise, I secure more wins, and if I lose a tiny portion instead of losing something big like I used to before. So
right.
this has proved that it's working for me much better now with my ways because trust me, Safe, I was supposed to see you like a couple weeks ago and I haven't
Yeah.
because of what I was going through, bro.
Still waiting for my dolma, man.
We are going out this weekend in front
All
of
right.
everyone live.
Okay. That's
But
that's
you
a
know how
point.
it is when when the market is beating you up nonstop, you just
Yeah,
can't.
yeah. It can get exhausting. I understand.
Yeah.
I understand, of course. So
But and also for your question, like if I had taken that higher every day, probably when the setup comes, I would probably like around 30 only max to max,
Yeah.
28 to 30. Like I used to wait a lot, so that was like making me more anxious and stuff. So this is better.
This is much better. I agree with you.
Yeah. So I had a recent video posted on Instagram and YouTube. It's getting actually good views as well. So regarding this. shifting from the win ratio to 1:2, which is
Yeah.
giving good profits as well.
So someone is asking. Sorry, guys, for cutting you off. You're done, right?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Let me answer this question. Someone I wanted to go short. Yeah. What could fuel the XY drop? I think the only thing that would make DXY drop instead of go up, which is like what it should do, is going up. The only thing that would fuel a drop there is a surprise from the Fed, which would be like a 50 basis point cut, for example. That's the only way they could like actually reverse this strong momentum or strong upside momentum on DXY. That's the first answer. That was the first question. Sorry. Someone is asking. I just went long on USD JPY at 154, TP 156. What do you think? I think I cannot tell you what I think. I'll just give you what's it called? I'll just give you a hint, but I cannot give you signals. 145, 154. Sorry, it's actually a very good trade. Where is your stop loss? Depends. I would tell you if that trade is good or not, depending on where your stop loss is. Yeah, so that's it. Rosa, how are you doing?
Yeah, sorry guys.
All under control again?
All under control. They were sent off to school. That's it. No more crying. I'm in peace now.
Okay. Boys, mom.
Yeah, 2 boys.
Okay, so
They want to do everything with mom. Always with mom. So anyway. So are you still in the buys?
yeah,
Of course.
I might.
I just
I'm
wanted
gonna
to
do
break
that.
32 and I'm moving stops to entry.
Yeah, I might move stops to entry. I was just going to say that, but is it safe to move stops?
I
to
wouldn't
entry?
say it's safe yet to move it to entry.
You know what? Yours is safe to move to entry.
My 25 one, yeah, but I still have
25,
one at
you
30.
can move it to entry, yeah.
Yeah.
You know, I'm moving my stop to 25 actually. I'm trailing my stop upwards. So if we like hit stop loss, we hit
Yeah.
it together, man. 25. Yes. So oh, wow, that's the difference. Stop loss amount changed a lot after I changed it. After I moved it. Okay, so I think we're good.
Yeah, I moved both SLs to 25. The one at 30 became 25.
Yeah, I think I'm going out at 138. That would be a good place to take profit. What do you
Yes,
think?
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is the
Yeah,
right place.
130. I'm gonna check how it goes around 138 to 145 because my target is 145.
You have multiple trades, Salah. You can close some and leave some.
Exactly. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
close the one at 30 at
The higher
38.
ones, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's move to something else since we're waiting for gold now. Nothing else to do. Can we see your chart? Gold is buy, funding pips. Is it possible that the Fed will cut 50 basis points? That would be no.
Possible.
Like, I don't think this is possible unless we see like a new narrative about recession in the US, which is not the case because the growth is good in the US. Inflation is still like under control and stable. So they have no. Trump wishes if they cut 50 basis points, but they will not do that. No, I don't think so. I even doubt if they were going to cut 25 basis points this year. I think we're done cutting.
Mm-hmm.
Stop loss at 154.23. Let me check. That's the
Somebody's
USD JPY guy.
mhm.
Okay.
And now up, please.
You know, you can move it like to 154.7.
Huh?
ZG Trading. I'm talking to one of the guys in the chat.
Yeah.
Salah, I think can help. Someone is asking you a question, Salah. Vamsi Krishna.
Which one?
I have doubt. I think you can help to resolve. I noticed several times either highs or lows. It takes liquidity. For example, it takes liquidity of low with big wick, but still continues lower in the session. I didn't understand that.
Trying
I
to
hope you did.
understand it. Other half is also
Okay, what
so it's
is your...
basically saying it's like faking out or something like that.
Yeah, here we have a good one for you, Salah. How does Salah take multiple trades on a single trade idea? What is your concept and approach behind it? Very
So
good question.
I like to layer entries and just maximize my win if I'm winning. So if I'm already in, let's say, 200, 300 pips profit, and I know that my entry is very perfect, and there is a statistically high chance that it doesn't go back to it, my stops at break even or even at profit. And I would try to see where we're consolidating now and trade that by taking the lows of that consolidation or the breakout to get in more entries basically. And we've been consolidating since the breakout earlier today, around we've been consolidating between, let's say, 22 up until 30 basically. That's where we've been consolidating, and I've got myself into two entries, 25 and 30. 30 was reckless, and I knew that it was like way too early for me to get in, but I just didn't want to miss it out. That's why my SL was big on that. But then the entry from 25 was really, really good. And now both stops are at 25. So I would end up losing 50 pips only, technically, if this
So
trade.
your stop loss or your risk is the same. Technically,
Yeah.
it's still the same, but you just like divide it on multiple into multiple
Exactly.
trades. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm maximizing because when you're winning, you have to take the most you can from it. And if you see that there is a chance for you for another entry, if you're just holding your main entry, why not? We had some
Correct.
consolidation. We broke out, made a new high around 39.5, and then we dropped all the way back to 22.9. And we're just respecting that zone. We're not dropping below 20. I'm not seeing it drop below 20. So any potential sweep, I would just get in more entries, or another breakout, I would get in more entries. Like I see us hitting 45 at least. Maybe we're gonna break out of it, but all I care about for now for this session is 45.
I'm waiting for 4,700, man. Be more
4,700. Yeah, you're swinging, bro.
yeah. Be more generous, man.
We are gonna get there before the end of the year. I'm
I hope.
pretty
I hope
certain.
before the end of the year. Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, silver is on fire. I had
Yeah.
an analysis. Look, my cousin works with silver and physical silver and the CFDs and all that.
Okay.
he asked for an analysis a couple weeks ago, and I was just telling him, and he's just hard-headed. He likes to see things, like not me just saying it. So
Yeah.
I got out, I went on the charts, highlighted my zones, potential buy zones that I have in mind. When I sent him that, price was around 54, 53. That was before it dropped. Okay.
Yeah.
So zone one, I'll hold on. Let me share my screen so you could see what I'm talking about. Could you see this?
Yeah.
Mm.
Okay, so I had this written for him where it says zone 1, 44.8 to 45.5. Breakout, retest for this breakout. SL below 42.8, TP1 52.5, and TP2 around 55. And look what happened. This is the daily, by the way. Okay. We dropped to the entry point, around the entry point over here with that wick, and went back up all the way almost to TP2,
That's
TP1.
the
Sorry.
exact same setup for like on gold, failure
Yeah.
swing.
Yeah. Oh, it's yeah. It's the same one almost.
Yeah.
And this was a very, very precise. And he's telling me now, he was texting me. He reminded me of it. I forgot about this.
I think we're going to like 60 this time. 62
On silver,
on
we're
silver,
going.
yeah. On silver, yeah, we're going to 62.
Yeah, we're gonna go to
Um,
60 and even 70 before the end of the year.
I've been preaching silver for the past 3 years, man. Since it was like
Nobody even knew what silver was, probably.
17.5. You know, I
Yeah.
even like I have a friend, a Lebanese friend. He once like convinced me with why we should buy silver. All of us should buy silver because it was like it's $17 per ounce. It's cheaper than 1 meter of parquet, which is the floor.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
wood.
yeah, the floor wood. It's cheaper than 1 meter of floor wood. So it made sense. And let me tell you this analysis. I mentioned this several times on different channels, but let me repeat it. Now, silver is used in solar panels. And
Yeah.
since solar panels are like, I don't know if I said this here before or not. Have you heard the story from me
I
before?
have it.
Okay. So silver is used in solar panels, and the approximate age of those solar panels is 30 years. And when were the first solar panels ever created? Almost 30 years ago,
Mm-hmm.
which means that they will need to get renewed very soon.
Mm-hmm.
So you will need silver. So this will,
That is smart as fuck.
yeah. So you will need silver, and the demand will actually increase on silver. I've been saying this for the past 2 years, and
Mm-hmm.
just like very recently, um, this analysis came to life, and more analysts were saying, yeah, it's because of solar panels, EVs,
It's because of everything.
semiconductors. Yeah. So yeah, that's the main reason. It's like the growing demand on silver. That's why it's going up. People
Mhm.
are demanding more silver than there is available. That's basically the reason.
Safe. We
Yeah.
don't have silver available in Jordan now to buy.
I bought some like a couple of months ago, or like a few months ago.
Yeah, me too. All my friends. But you go now, you barely can find.
Yeah.
And if you find silver to buy, like a kilo or two or whatever, they're gonna charge
Usually
you
above
around.
the screen price, like $10 above the screen price.
Yeah, bro. It's
Yeah.
crazy. They charged my friend who just bought an ounce, they charged him around what, 50 something GDs, even more.
Yeah, for 1 kilo, you mean?
No, for an ounce.
For an ounce?
So per ounce they added around
That's
thirty
even more
dollars.
expensive than the ounce itself.
They added $20 to $30 above market price.
Oh,
20
yeah.
probably $20.
That's crazy.
Yeah,
But we're still holding silver. Silver is good.
yeah,
I think silver will easily like triple in value by 2030.
of course,
Yeah.
100%.
Anand, what do you have for us?
Pretty much nothing. I'm just looking at gold.
Just looking at gold.
Yeah, silver is good, but like I've never traded. I've checked it a couple of times, maybe
You know
placed
what
couple.
they say? A watch chart never moves.
Yeah,
Okay, so what do you have? Are you
um,
in buys or sells?
I'm in buy only.
You're in buys now.
Yeah,
So basically, everyone is in buys now,
yeah.
except for Rosa. Rosa, you're not.
No,
Or
I'm
are you?
buying now. I'm buying now.
Ah, of
No
course you
way.
are.
Rosa also changed.
Yeah, I just closed in profit the sell and now it's buys.
At 2060, you closed, right?
Oh, I don't remember the price and I don't remember the account because it was the funding
Okay.
ticks one. 6 4. Okay, let me.
So we almost have the same take profit now, which is
Yeah.
38. Yeah,
Mm.
I'm at 44.
44. Okay. Um, Let me check something. I want to check my risk reward on this one. Okay, so guys, have you ever like went through the discussion of dynamic risk reward, which means that risk reward changes as you like progress or as the trade progresses, meaning that you start the trade with a 1 to 5, then you move your stop loss so it becomes, for example, 1 to 10, and then you're
Yeah.
in profit. So this profit, you have the opportunity to close it. So the opportunity cost of not closing the trade is losing this amount plus the stop loss. So it becomes negative at some point. Have you ever had this discussion?
I've heard
Not
some
really.
similar
No,
things.
I
not
think
really.
let's discuss this. This would be
Okay.
interesting because, like, I don't have like many traders around me to discuss this with. Yeah. 1 second. Let me check something. I'll get back to you in a second. So, yep, here. Yeah, that's a decent risk reward, no problem. Good. All right. So imagine like you enter a trade, your stop loss is $100, okay, and your TP is $300. But if the price moves in your favor, now you're going to like if it reverses and you do not close this $100 profit, it might reverse and lose you this $100 that you could have closed plus the $100 stop loss. So now it's $200 against $200. Now it became 1 to 1. Do you get me?
I don't.
Okay, again, you have it. You enter a trade. Your stop loss is $100 and your TP is $300. Correct?
Okay.
Okay, so the price moves in your favor and you are now $100 in profit.
Hmm.
Okay, so how much left to the upside? $200.
Yeah.
How much is to the downside? $200.
$200.
So now it became 1 to 1.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the idea of dynamic risk reward. So
Okay.
I don't know if it would be smart to think in this way, but for me, I think it would like just mess up my brain. I don't know. I just wanted to like throw this
This would
here.
fuck with my head.
Maybe someone would say something that would like make sense.
I don't
Sorry,
know how do you manage that. How would you manage that?
I don't know.
Oh, it's difficult to me to understand how to
Like
manage it.
I don't know. Like the only way that you can maintain your same risk reward is by trailing your stop loss. and trailing your stop loss might lose you money or like make you exit too early. So I don't know. Sorry for using your brains, but I need your brains.
Could you go in depth a little bit?
What do you mean?
I still am confused with it. I understand. So basically, you're saying is when you're in $200 profit,
$100 profit.
$100 profit, you're
Yeah.
gonna be $200 away from your SL and
Yeah.
$200 away from your
TP.
TP.
Yeah.
And what you're trying to know what to do when you're in that exact situation.
Yeah. What do you do? How do you manage your trade? I'm just trying to optimize my trade management.
I would move my SL.
Even if it's technically not correct to move your stop loss.
If I'm being that indecisive when I'm in that exact spot,
Yeah.
then yeah, because the moment I'm thinking that way, the best way out of that trade is for it to either hit my TP or break even. Because
Yeah.
I usually wouldn't touch my entries after going in, barely move my stops or higher it or put break even, only if I'm not very confident with it. So if I'm not very confident with it, I'd rather go out with nothing than go out with a loss.
I
Get it?
agree with this. That's
So
actually how I think about it.
yeah,
Because that would mess up your psychology a whole lot.
exactly.
Yeah, I wouldn't touch my trade, but I just I heard this. Let's call it a theory from someone, and it actually got me thinking. So I wanted to take your to get your opinion on this.
I think this is the best way out of it.
Yeah, just stick to your original plan, and that's it. Gold
Yeah.
is going down.
Down.
It's
Oh.
26.
Oh,
How far did it go?
It's messing around before NYSE open.
Yeah, maybe.
yeah, another 8 more minutes. So, so this is for a particular trade, or we can increase our trade and manage the risk more, right?
You
For
mean
the
the dynamic risk reward?
yeah, so it's
Yeah,
for
I
the
think
only
it works on individual trades, but
okay.
to be honest, I didn't like the idea, but I didn't want to be so arrogant that I decided to just wave something without asking other traders. So that's why I'm asking you guys.
Okay.
Maybe it made sense to someone else, and maybe
Yeah, maybe. Never heard, never thought about it, but let me check it out.
yeah. On the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is touching the trend line. Do you think it could make a new all-time high from here? Let's check.
Oh
Let's
yeah,
go.
BTC. I had some buys today.
Are we out or not yet, Salah?
Almost. Hold on.
Almost out.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm not
so
out.
Yeah, I'm out.
you're out. Let me check.
Mine is at 22.
I'm not out.
Mine is at 22. I'm still there.
Yours is at 22. Your stop loss.
Yeah.
Good, but I'm still in the trade.
Beautiful.
I'm actually at 22. Yeah.
Good spreads, man. Just give it a minute. I'll be out. Anyway,
I want it to work. That's the problem. I want it to go up.
no problem. On the monthly time frame, checking Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm out.
This is looking very bad.
Yeah. Bitcoin is touching 10.
This is its last shot. As long as it's above 24, we're doing good. Let's see.
To answer the Bitcoin question, I think like we still have room to go down to 96 or 95 maybe before going up. Like that's a possibility, but also going up from here to a new all-time high is also a possibility. But let me just check lower time frames. To be honest, I still have no confirmations if it's going up or down. But like prevailing trend as of now is a downtrend, which is the correction to the downside.
I
We
bought
might
again.
go down. You bought again?
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
My SL is at 23.
let me check. Maybe I'll buy again.
I usually keep my SLs below structures and previous.
Yeah, it's always the best. But now it's either NYC Open is gonna get us to shoot up, or it's gonna annihilate our stops and actually drop it. You know what's beautiful? People can literally take a buy after a breakout from around 45, 47. But that's a breakout buy, and their stops are going to be massive.
On the 5-minute time frame, it's not bad.
Bro, look at the hourly.
What happened on the
Like,
hourly?
look at this consolidation on the 1 hour.
Liquidation is happening now. It's 3 minutes before candle closing. So it's happening now. It's going to the downside.
Yeah, to liquidate and then rock it.
Last
But
3
then-
minutes of a candle. Just pay attention to it.
Yeah.
And the movement says it all.
Yeah, I think it's gonna take out.
Last 3 minutes. So it's 2 minutes to go.
And then look at the 4 hours as well. Just looking at the bigger time frames so I can understand what it's doing. God, if this 1 hour could close above 29.5, I'd be insanely good.
It might.
Let's see.
In 1 minute.
If it does that, then shit is gonna be insanely good.
No.
It doesn't look like it.
Yeah,
No.
it's kind
Never,
of.
never. Just wait.
3 minutes going up. Last
Okay.
second.
27,
Liquidation has
almost
happened.
27, almost
Okay.
20.
So it's moment to
Let's see.
no.
$30 seconds.
Yeah.
Yes,
Buy
announcement.
short very strongly in the next minute to me. Hopefully I'm mistaken because I'm buying as well, but and I'm still in.
Where are your stops, Rosa?
I don't like just below the lows today, a few points.
22.5?
No, 24.3 kind
Yeah,
of.
24.3. Okay.
Kind
The
of.
recent, the most recent.
The most
Okay,
recent,
got it.
yeah.
I like this candle. Let's see.
Mm.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh,
Let's go.
The closure, like the closure, isn't so bad. To be honest, let me check the. No, it's not bad.
I think it's a fake candle, honestly. Everything says that to me. So I'm gonna close the moment I'm on break even. So I accept the risk and I'll close at break even if I have the chance.
You think it's going down, huh?
Yeah. There's two levels down below, very close together, and I think it'll target these points in a minute or two, not very long away. That's my point of view. Hopefully this time I'm mistaken.
Hopefully. And do you guys have any rules like once you enter a trade, you don't know like change anything? Like for example, live I understand. For example, change your orders, take partials. Do you guys have any rules set for like evaluation separate, live separate?
SAIF doesn't trade funded.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking about Rosa and like Rosa to like scalping. What about you, Salah?
I am very aggressive through the whole stages, so not only on the evaluation stage.
Oh,
And once I'm in a trade, I perform the same. So I start taking partials 20, 40, 60, and then I leave a runner and I put break even when it's between 20 and 30 pips away on my favor. And I always do the same. Even if I predict it's going to be a massive movement, I always do the same.
okay,
Because
good.
you never know. Maybe that's why I always leave one or two runners. Most of the time they end up on break even, as you can see on my charts. But sometimes it's like, wow, this is a fantastic runner. But usually it's break even point. Because I don't know, humans always expectations are always very high in general.
Mm-hmm.
Trading, relationships, work.
This
So
is
that's why I always do absolutely the same.
I think we're a couple of dollars away from
I've
having
closed
Rosa.
already.
You closed?
it's playing out
Yeah,
perfectly.
because it's a master account I just got with nearly $400, and the trade is not secure. And I've got another one running, another master account, so it's fine.
Yeah, we're like a dollar away from making a failure swing on a lower time frame, which
You
would
see
be
this
which would be
whole
great.
mess is because of this gap area over here. See how it's respecting it?
Mm.
It's all from the gap area on the hourly.
Okay, everything's close to me.
Sorry. Yeah, I'm staying in this.
So the only moment, Anand, the only moment I change my plans, like now, it's because I mean, if it's a master account
Yeah.
and the
You-
trade has been, um, it's been making suffering me. Like this one trade, I wasn't sure because all the candles told me the contrary that it did now. Then when I'm on break even, I close it down, I relaxed myself because it's a lot of money on stake, and then I start over. So I don't mind if now it flies, price flies. I'm super happy.
Got
$800 in total done. But I don't usually suffer in any trade. So when I'm starting feeling anxious, like go up, go up, go up, because I
That's
want.
when you know you should be out if you're feeling that way.
I'm out. Then I'm out. I've learned
I,
to control myself.
yeah.
being out and then start over. So it's only 2 accounts for me, one more account to trade today, and I've been trading all the accounts I have. So
Yeah.
fine with whatever profit it is.
Got it.
For me, and depends on which account. I have couple accounts. One for my monthly expenses and everything that I do on the side, and then the rest of the accounts are for me to just get more and more funded accounts, prop firms, all that, and I have accounts that I am aggressive with, and some accounts that I just basically trade on normally, as I can say, according to my rules and not risk or over leverage or anything. It all depends on which account it is. But if I'm trying to pass an uh, evaluation and all that, I just risk big. I need to pass both stages in less than 5 days. But that's what I do. I do not advise people to do that. I do not tell people that's what they should do. But me personally, I see that I need to be done with both phases that way. That's why I have bigger targets, and depends on what the account is, if it's a pro account, funding pips, or a regular account. All these things play a role in how I treat the account that I'm using. See this trade? This trade's
Got it.
been stressing the shit out of us since we started the stream. We got taken out, and then I went back in. Safe, did you get back in?
Sorry, I was muted. Yes, I went back in at 26.7.
Perfect, bro.
Mine didn't take
I
out. Like
went,
mine.
I went back in bigger, to be honest, because I saw it. I saw the hourly candle was good. So
Perfect, bro.
was it the
Perfect.
5 minute? 5 minute candle. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Got it. So
Uh,
I follow like different system for evaluation. Evaluation, once I take a trade, I don't move my SL or my TP. Whereas live, I make changes. Like it moves 1:1.5, I keep it break even and
Hmm.
let the trade. And mostly I book at 1:3. But if that trade is clean and it has the potential for 1:5, as soon as it moves to 1:3, I'll keep it at 1:1 and leave the trade for 1:5.
Perfect.
That's only on live. Like in evaluation, I don't really alter any of the stop losses or take profit.
Perfect.
I
I'm
think I'll
still
exit this
waiting
trade
for
at 140,
45.
139.
Currently, I'm not gonna get out or take a single penny out of
yeah,
this
I
trade
think
before
I
45.
think we're heading towards 159 or 160.
Yeah,
So
we're gonna break 45 this time.
yeah, since the stop loss is like already far away, which is 22.5, I'm not gonna change it this time. Yeah, I might as well just take a bigger take profit.
Honestly, look, if you look at it on the 4 hours,
It's not bad.
um, on the 4 hours,
Hmm.
and I think the hourly, the best TP to have is between uh, 80 to 88 on the
180, you
4 hours.
mean?
Huh? 180 to 188 between that on the
I think if I go out at 159, I'd be very happy.
perfect.
Which is not very far away. It's like
Yeah.
$24 dollars from here.
Because if you think at it, think about it in a sense, say,
Mhm.
if you were still looking for an entry and you want a very good, very, very good entry, but you're a swing trader, you're not gonna have a very close SL probably and a very far away TP. When you look at it, if you get a 4 hours or yeah, let's say a 4 hour. If you get a 4 hour or 1 hour above 45 with extra confirmations like it retesting and all that, that is your entry for another trade to take from there, from the breakout out of 45. Because look at it, look at how it reacted to 45 all the way to 61 previously on the 4 hours. Look at all those wicks. So you don't have anything above them till you go to 80 to 88.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, it's empty. You have nothing, and you know that it realistically has to go there because its price is attracted to liquidity and it's like a magnet. So it's just gonna chase it. This is beautiful so far.
Yeah, I agree. Anand, you're still holding, yeah?
Yeah, I'm holding 39 is my TP. Like I think that is good TP for me.
That's 100 pips
Sweet,
for me now.
Yeah, I entered at 124.
sweet.
Yeah, 124.5 I entered. It's a good trade. I'm not taking trade live actually. This is the first time I'm taking a trade because there is no news today in New York. That's why I decided to take a trade. Otherwise, I wouldn't have traded today.
So currently we have 3 TPs incoming. We have your TP, Safe's TP, and my TP. Let's go.
Yeah, I think it'll go crazy tonight. Maybe not on the live stream, but after the live stream, once the real liquidity comes in, I think
It's always after the live stream.
it's always yeah. I think the problem is Rosa, yeah. Remember
The
that
moment Rosa, really, what is this? The moment you closed out, this happens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this?
No, but I mean, it seems, I mean,
Just 1
sometimes
minute.
when
you
it
can-
happens, it's like, oh, what have you done? But most of the time, doesn't do that. So I'd rather make money today and live happy
Yeah, you
than
made
having
money.
to stop
Nice.
at the end of the afternoon. And yeah, I mean, also, something I also do when I'm trading is I take the overall day
Yeah.
in funded accounts, not in my personal account. In funded accounts, it's been like $3,000 today. So it's like, do not risk it. Don't end the day with a bad feeling about your trading
Yeah.
today. You've done very good so far. Just close it. That's it. I wasn't comfortable with this trade. So it's a nice thing. And you make money because I went out. So I just closed the trade. So you're welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And if I'm awake at 2 o'clock in the morning or 3, I'll make money thanks to Anand. But for some reason, my body falls asleep.
Hmm. Well,
Let's see
my
if
body
we get
falls
50
asleep
tomorrow.
at 11, maybe.
But
I just
last
shut down. Even if you're talking to me, I just like lights out. Yeah. So
Anand, it was 10 pips away from your TP. What the what is
I
this?
know.
What is
I'm
this?
not lying. It's been happening like this for me for the past 2 months. Almost near TP. I have so much screenshots. I'm gonna make a video for that. Like I have like 30 plus screenshots.
The
Like
moment you take a screenshot is when you lose your trade.
yeah.
That's how it is.
like the TP will be here. My market will just go here and come back.
I stopped taking screenshots. It's a curse. It's
Yeah.
not.
Oh, it went till
Screenshot is a
138.
curse.
Wow.
It's like sent to the market makers instantly, and they're gonna target you directly. You.
So
Someone's
I've
what?
seen
Someone
I've
is
seen
always
this
what?
meme. That person has entered a trade, buy, lets everyone sell, 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 sell.
Say if you see how we got the locals always complaining about the market makers targeting them. Their $100 account is being targeted by the market makers.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just
And
because
they
they don't want
know
them to
shit
win.
about anything, man. They don't know shit. They're not like when they talk, they make you feel that they understand the game, but in
Yeah.
reality, they don't understand shit.
Yeah.
There is someone behind the screen waiting for my hunting my stop loss.
God.
I stopped talking to those people, by the way.
I
Like
don't talk
I
to him.
even do not entertain any conversations of that kind.
It's just too much stupidity to deal with.
If someone asks me, what do you do for a living? I used to say, I trade, but then I get into the most uncomfortable conversations ever. So when they ask me now, I say I'm a nurse. So
You
it's
say
about,
what?
I'm a nurse. Because no one would be interested to ask me what I do as a nurse.
You could actually say a doctor.
Put
Why nurse
band-aids on
specifically?
people. That's it. Connect the.
You
That's
literally say you're a nurse.
Yeah, that's because of the I don't want to get into any conversations of that kind.
Yeah, bro, I feel you. I feel you. I was out like a couple days ago. Just went to the ATM near Sofia Village,
Yeah,
and I just ran into some people there randomly, like old friends. Hi, hi, hello. What are you doing? And then they all sit. They know me. They know what I do. They all just do this,
yeah,
and the guy standing and greeting me is like, "How's gold treating you now? I heard gold is that's it. It's gonna die. It's going down." I'm
yeah.
like,
That's
bro,
that's a
and
buy
that's how
signal.
it starts. And yeah, he's just clueless.
That
He's just
that's
clueless.
a buy signal, man.
I don't even know why he's asking me. He doesn't trade. He doesn't do shit. What is the purpose of you
Just
asking all
breaking
of
the ice, man.
ah
And they keep you they leave you speechless because what do you answer that? Nothing. Someone I cannot curse here. Someone is saying, "Safe, you do look like a nurse." Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay.
At least say doctor, you would look
No,
like a
because if you
doctor,
say
but
doctor,
not a
they're going to
nurse.
ask about your specialty and what do you
Oh
do
yeah,
and
yeah,
where
yeah,
do you
yeah.
go and where's your clinic and the whole
You
thing.
just try to cut it short.
Yeah, I'm a nurse.
Yeah,
That's it.
fair enough.
And it makes sense because I always go back home very late. So yeah, it makes sense.
I'll make sure to contact you if we need a nurse.
Of course.
Yeah,
Flu
I
shots,
don't like
anything
I
you
don't
need.
like this
I'm here
candle
for
in
you.
5 minutes.
sure thing.
Mm.
I don't like the structure in 1 minute as well.
Someone is asking, do volumes get faked by institutions? No, not institutions, not institutions per se, but the algorithms that work for institutions. Yeah, they would do that to you. But institutions do not care about like purposefully making fake outs to hunt your stop loss. No, but the algorithms, which are trained to know where the obvious stop is, would manipulate volumes, not volumes, I mean manipulate liquidity so that they hunt your stop loss. But it's not you, it's the obvious stop loss. I hope this answered your question. Uh, Final destination. Okay, so I have good news, guys.
Okay.
We're very soon we're going live um, with a broker. Um, okay, so Funding Pips is extending the legacy and going live with a broker very soon. I cannot say when, but Khalid announced it maybe a month ago in the Forex Expo. And what I can tell you is it's very soon. It's very soon. And I want you guys to go, like everyone on the live stream, go in and check the success story episode with Khalid. You'll get a lot of like what I'm saying, and it's a really nice episode. So the episode is at 6:30 Dubai time. Okay, great. I'm waiting.
Today, this afternoon,
Yeah,
Said.
yeah. It will be at 6:30 this afternoon. This will be a good episode, I'm sure. And finally, you will be trading with our friends instead of like stranger brokers.
Wow.
Yeah,
I've been waiting for that since last year.
yeah.
The idea got brought up
It's
last
a
year.
dream coming true, man.
Yeah.
Khalid told me I'm going to trade on my like it was him saying this. I'm trading on my own broker. Maybe he told me this 7 or 8 years ago. And like I was like, I didn't see the point. Like, why? Just like open a brokerage account, man. But this guy
Yeah.
had a vision. He said, no, I'm trading on my own broker. And very soon he will be able to do that. So respect.
Oh, that's really nice.
Sure. Wow.
Someone is asking me, can we take long from 30 with 60 pips top loss?
No.
Yeah, why not? Only if your TP is more than 60 pips.
I think below the 30, we can actually look for an entry.
So what's happening here with gold? 30 is a good place to buy, to be honest.
Yeah, it is. I moved my stop loss again to 25.
To 25. I would go for 24, man. Just to be safe.
So I got in two more entries. They got taken out. And I have 27 and I have 30.63 now. So we got around 7 minutes.
Okay, so the success story is in 6 minutes.
So we gotta cut it short.
Yeah.
Cool.
We have our trades still running. All good.
Yeah. Minus
But guys, everyone on the stream, we'll see you on the episode. We'll just like all of us, the same people, we're moving to the episode. So enjoy. It will be a
Sure.
good one, I'm sure.
All right.
Okay. See you guys.
Take
Thank you.
care.
All right.
Yes. Bye.
Take care of yourselves and good luck with the trades. Bye bye.
All right.
Bye.
See you. Bye bye.